Canon EOS R7 Mark II, a game-changing upgrade on the horizon. Are you ready for one of Canon's most exciting camera updates in recent memory? The buzz around the upcoming Canon EOS R7 Mark II is building fast, and for good reason. Whether you're a photographer chasing fleeting moments, a filmmaker craving cinematic quality, or a content creator juggling both, this new release could raise the bar in a big way. Here's a deep dive into the most compelling leaks and rumors and what they could mean for your next shoot. Sensor and image processing. Same resolution. Smarter tech. Canon is expected to retain the 32.5 MP resolution from the original R7, but don't let that fool you. The real leap lies in sensor architecture. Rumors point to either a stacked or backside illuminated BSI sensor, both of which could deliver dramatic improvements in speed, dynamic range, and low-light performance. That means sharper images, less noise, and faster readout speeds, ideal for action photography, wildlife, and sports. Backing that up is a rumored upgrade to the Digic X image processor. More power, better efficiency, and smarter handling of detail, color, and contrast all come with the territory. We're talking potentially higher frame rates, improved burst shooting, and quicker *** buffer clearing, all without bogging you down mid-shoot. Next level autofocus. Smarter, faster, sharper. Canon seems poised to bring AI-driven autofocus from its flagship R3 and R5 models to the R7 Mark II. Expect advanced subject tracking for people, animals, vehicles, even in low light. Enhanced *** face, eye, and object detection ** could mean you rarely miss focus, even when the action gets wild or the lighting is challenging. Video upgrades. More power for creators. Video specs are where things really get exciting. The R7 Mark II is rumored to support 4000 at 120 fps, making ultra-smooth slow motion a reality. No external recorders or workarounds needed. Even better, 12-bit raw video output via HDMI may be on the table, giving filmmakers unparalleled flexibility and post-production control. Canon is also reportedly addressing overheating and stabilization, with improved internal cooling and a more refined in-body image stabilization IBIS system. That translates to longer shoot times, steadier handheld footage, and less setup hassle. Battery and usability. Built for long days, Canon is expected to stick with the tried and true LP6NH battery, but thanks to power optimizations, users may see even better battery life than before. USB charging support should also make it easier to keep shooting on the go, whether from a power bank, laptop, or wall adapter. Connectivity. Share it faster. Smarter file transfers are getting a serious boost. With faster Wi-Fi and more reliable Bluetooth, creators can expect quicker uploads, easier tethering, and possibly even direct cloud integration with services like Adobe Cloud or Google Drive. No laptop. No problem. Design refinements, familiar feel, enhanced control. Design-wise, Canon seems to be making thoughtful tweaks rather than sweeping changes. Expect a larger, sharper OLED, a brighter fully articulating LCD, and dual card slots for redundancy or split file types. Ergonomics are also said to be improved, with a more comfortable grip and revised button layout that feels natural in hand. Release date and price. Coming soonish. Based on Canon's product cycle, the EOS R7 Mark II will likely be announced in late 2025 or early 2026. As for price, expect it to land in the $1,700 to $1,900 range. Body only the competitive spot for a high-end APS-C hybrid camera. Use this for, if you're a serious enthusiast, hybrid shooter, or pro looking for a compact B-cam, the R7 Mark II could hit the sweet spot. It's shaping up to be an APS-C powerhouse that blends speed, quality, and versatility in one rugged, travel-friendly body. What's the feature you're most hyped about? Whether it's the AI autofocus, 4K 120p, or the potential raw video output, the R7 Mark II is definitely one to watch. Stay tuned. If the rumors are true, this could be one of Canon's most exciting cameras yet.